Welcome to Private Money Secrets. I'm Keith Yackey and I'm your host, and all we talk about here is private money, real estate, and some other fun stuff. Grab your favorite beverage. Let's dive in.
Collaboration, the last frontier. Actually, when I look at collaboration, I look at it as private money nirvana. Private money nirvana simply means that when you've treated your investors well, they will collaborate with you and bring other investors to you. In fact, I like to start with a lot of clients when they work with me. If they've already been doing deals, I say, hey, have you went back to the investors that you've already gotten great returns for and ask them, hey, do you have any other friends that would like to be getting the same types of returns as you? And most people like to brag about their successes. They like to brag about their wins. And so oftentimes they've already been telling some people. So you might already have this private money nirvana, this collaboration effect already happening for you currently. But I would highly encourage you to make it a part of your process that after you get a private money investor a win, just one deal, to ask them, hey, do you know anybody else that's like you that would like to be doing deals with us? We've got a lot of deal flow and are always looking for more private money to be able to do more deals for more people like we have done for you. Ask the question. They can say no. They can say, pack sand, I want to keep this to myself. Or more likely, they will respond, yeah, I actually do know a couple of people. And at that point, you want to have them introduce you. You don't want them just to give you a phone number and say, here, call this guy. Because now you're calling out of the blue. That never frames you as the expert. That doesn't position you that well. It doesn't give you the position or frame of power in that sense. So you want to make sure that they introduce you and they tell their story to that person while they're introducing you or before you actually meet them. What it does is it really lays out the red carpet for you to talk with these people candidly and openly, and allows you to be a little more bold in your approach, because now all the doubt, wondering who you are, has all been eliminated, because now you're being introduced to them by their close friend. So to get private money nirvana, or to get to this place where any deal you get, you have more than enough funding to make it happen, you're going to want to ask for referrals from investors that you won with. You got them a big win. They were a joy to work with. Hey, who do you know? And what happens is, let's say you have your initial first private money person. They have 300 grand. Well, they probably know 2 or 3 other people with 300 grand that are interested in doing the same thing. So now, rather than 300 grand, that's how 300 grand can then become 900 grand or 1.2 million, which puts you into another good problem, which is, oh, dang, now I got too much money. I got to go find more deals. So the fire will be under your fanny regardless. If you got too many deals, you need more money, or too much money, you need more deals. That's the 2 tracks of this game that you'll always be running down. Good luck.
All right, so if you're wanting to learn how to raise more private money, go to www.privatemoneypro.com, www.privatemoneypro.com, where I can show you how to be a private money pro. Take care and go rock it.